Why khashal khal beqel qain?
Why kwachen?
Ha and chit akl in the west.
Lut in chit in west in chit in Knxcutens.
Ooh, nekom.
Han chit in Chokamin.
Lut in chit akl in chakamin. In chit akl chikal.
Oh, hast.
Ha and chit akl chikal.
Lut in chit al.
Oh, humte ken qayula.
Why, Matt?
Why anyways that weekend?
Why, anyways?
Why has halte pes nakselig is quist qoyachen oslaha in siilchen naks Knxcutens. Hello, good day my relatives. My name is Levi Bent and this is the help tutorial for the book 1. Today's lesson is 43, the chit, your house. Let's get started. Ho hoi, kuin chao chint. Chit, chit. Ha an chit, sin quilchin chuten. Ha an chit, sin quilchin chuten. Ki in chit sin quilten. Ki in chit sin quilten. Uma. Lut in chit sin pulchten. Lut in chit sin pulchten. Ha an chit sin chalchten. Ha an chit sin chalchten. Ki in chit Knxcutens. Ki in chit Knxcutens. Lut in chit in west. Lut in chit in west. Ha an chit in chakamin. Ha an chit in chakamin. Ki in chit chkal. Ki in chit chkal. Lut in chit kelhalpen chuten. Lut in chit kelhalpen chuten. Haste schkolam pipis naksil khulapnach hoy atsent pa high splimchen. Chit. Ha an chit sin quilchen chuten. Ha an chit sin quilchen chuten. Ki in chit sin quilten. Ki in chit sin quilten. Lut in chit sin pulchten. Lut in chit sin pulchten. Ha an chit sin chalchten. Ha an chit sin chalchten. Ki in chit Knxcutens. Ki Knxcutens. Lut Knxcutens. Lut Knxcutens. Ha Knxcutens. Ha Knxcutens. Ki Knxcutens. Ki Knxcutens. Lut Knxcutens. Lut Knxcutens. Wat ali gastis skulam pepes nak silukurslapna pixken hitam down. Good job, my relatives, and now I'd like to help you all out just a little bit. On your lesson 43 in your curriculum, you'll see there's lots of phrases, and I'd like to help and explain what some of these are. So the first one you'll notice is Knxcutens an pulchten an chit. The kunach tells how many. So we learned in a previous lesson, kunach spinkt. The kunach is asking how many. The iltza is a lexical suffix explaining where someone lives, their abode. So in the kunach iltza, how many rooms? How many bedrooms does your house have? In the kunach iltza. In our language, those sounds have total definition meaning, like dictionary meaning. So that's how our language goes. So the answer could be in the iltza, in pulchten or in chit. In the iltza is in pulchten or in chit. I have 3 bedrooms in my house. And another one down here, it says hatten silchwa. An pulchten, is your bedroom big? In silchwa. So silchwa is big and kukuyuma is small. So I had to get a little bit of help with this lesson because there sure is a lot to learn on this one. So don't be afraid to ask for help or to be humble in your own learning experience. We don't know it all. We're just doing our best. So limlim for this time. I'm grateful for you all. White Ninuis et Wiklemen.